So, welcome to Ray Gerhke Court at Centerville Middle School, the only true handball court in America. I mean, it's a court that was a gymnasium that was built in 1995, truly for the sport of handball. And as you can see, it's quite spacious, ceilings this high. But a gymnasium built in a dimension that accommodates the 20 extra yards that a true handball court requires. So this is an angle that I took with my Mini Pro 3, um, showing the game. You can see the red dimension or red crease there is the circle that we call it in handball that defines the area that the offense and defense is not allowed into. Only the goalie is in that area. You can see the goal there. Um, but you can also see the problem that we face televising this game is that there are so many other lines uh, that complicate the issue for an American audience trying to understand this game. At least with this court, not only are the dimensions correct, but the red crease really helps define it. And so covering it with a drone and being able to look down on it as the drone moves into a position now that uh, is going to be one that I will probably feature next Thursday, right in the middle. And for reasons of calibration with my Mini Pro 3, I couldn't go left or right and currently can't. And so this is all I could do is just go to the middle of the court. I would also like to be behind the goal um, as we look at the other end. This is, I'd like to be able to go back to the goal and forward from this position. But you can see the two essential lines here are the 6-meter line, which the offensive player and defensive player are not allowed into, and the 6-meter line, which is the dotted gold line, as I experiment here with how high I can go. At some point, I exceeded my ability. I'm going to go, as you can see, we've got the emblem of the school at half court of the handball court. So this is truly a game that was built around their intramural program that was created in the 80s. And when they had a bond program in 1990 to create a new gym, the principal insisted that it be built for handball. And it's the only one of its kind in America. And so you'll see now as I tilt up slowly here, that dotted yellow line there for another court, and a dotted yellow line there you can barely see, but you can see it better as we get higher. That is the 9-meter line, which defines a certain defensive perimeter of the game. And that's critical to understanding the game, but you can hardly see it in many live stream coverages. And in most games that are covered, we're playing on basketball courts and we're taping down lines. So that's why it's great to be able to use a drone on this court, because despite the other lines, which had to be there because it is, after all, an American gymnasium, so volleyball, basketball, everything else had to be accommodated. Um, Handball is favored. Now, in this final sequence, you can see these are other angles, a lower angle that I shot, and we'll have you working on this side along with an auto camera that will follow the action traditionally left to right, and a handheld camera down on the floor with a cable covering the action. But we'd like you to mainly, we're going to do one 10-minute period where you're going to be going down to the corner of each side here on this side, and then 2 quarters where you'll be over the goal and then moving to half court and then back over the goal. So that will be the strategy. Okie doke.